Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips and I will show you guys the ways that I use these products that it works for me, and this is just one of the videos. Okay, so in this very video I'll be showing you how to use your Kojie San soap, okay, on your face, because most of you asked me in the comment section, can I use this on my face? If I can use it on my face, how can I use it on my face? And this very video is a detailed video on how you can use it on your face. As you can see, I'm fully kitted up, okay, in the bathroom. So I'm going to show you people how I do this, that it helps me to get rid of my dark spots, okay? So if you don't know what I'm talking about Kojie San soap, okay, and this is the original one. This is a 3-in-1 that contains kojic acid, and kojic acid helps in lightening up dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and just giving you a brighter and a more radiant skin. So if this kind of video is kind of video that you're interested to watch, at this point I'm going to stop talking and maybe I'll attach voiceovers, okay? But for now you're just going to watch how I do this step by step. It is very, very easy, and if you watch very well and take down notes, you can also apply the same technique on your face, because this is a technique that works for me. So if this kind of video is kind of video you're interested to watch, just sit down, grab your pen, grab your paper or jotter. Let's dive into the video.
So my loves, the first thing I do when I get into the shower is to properly wash my hands using a hand wash. This step might look so simple and you might want to ignore it, but it's actually very important. Your hands carry germs and bacteria, and if you touch your face without washing them first, you could transfer dirt that can cause more breakouts. So always start with clean hands. So the next product I went in with was the Face Fact Foaming Cleanser to cleanse my face. Now the reason I do this before using the Kojie San soap is because the soap works better on a clean face, and I personally use the Kojie San like a mask, not a face wash. So I make sure that my face is clean before applying the Kojie San soap so that the ingredients can penetrate properly.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right.
For the Kojie San, I used a small piece of the soap, not the entire bar. I always advise cutting the soap into tiny pieces because Kojie San melts quickly when exposed to water. Cutting it into smaller portions helps it to last longer and makes it easier for you to control how much you're applying on your skin.
I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need.
I lathered it up and applied the foam on my face and left it for just 1 minute before rinsing off. Now, while using it, you would want to remember that Kojie San is a lightening soap that contains kojic acid, which helps fade dark spots, acne marks, and any discoloration by gently exfoliating the top layer of your skin. It helps to reveal a more even radiant complexion over time, and because it is quite strong, I personally use it only 3 times a week, just enough to get results without irritating my skin. Just as you can see me do on the screen. For no reason should you directly apply your Kojie San soap on your skin. Lather it up before applying it on your skin and wait for just 1 minute.
Make me your selection, show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. match your beauty's description. Look so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes.
After rinsing off the Kojisan, I applied a tiny layer of Face Fact Foaming Cleanser again, this time gently in a gliding motion. This step helps to calm the skin, keep the skin barrier strong, and add a bit of softness because Kojisan can be quite drying. It's like giving your face a little comfort after the brightening treatment. This way your skin will never be irritated.
Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fistful of diamonds, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna.
Once you are done with this step, leave it onto your skin for 2 minutes before rinsing off.
You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, could love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you.
Then I use a paper towel to gently dab my face dry. I do not rub, just pat slightly. Applying products on a damp skin helps them absorb better and lock in hydration. This is why it is important not to let your face dry completely before moisturizing.
Love you, yeah.
Finally, I went in with my snail gel moisturizer on my damp skin to seal in all that moisture. Snail gel is super soothing and hydrating, which helps balance that dryness that Kojisan can cause. This method keeps my skin barrier protected, prevents irritation, and also allows me to enjoy all the brightening benefits of Kojisan soap. So my loves, this is exactly how I use Kojisan soap to clear my dark spots without damaging my skin barrier. Remember that less is more, and be gentle and consistent. And do not forget to always moisturize after using your Kojisan soap.
This is my face after the whole routine. As you can see, it is quite easy and straight to the point. Okay, now my face is moisturized because this soap can be very, very drying, and this is what my face looks like after using the Kojisan soap. Okay, so if you have watched particular points of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, leave your notification bell on so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I drop a new video on this channel. And also remember to share this video to someone that you know is using Kojisan soap and the person is complaining that the soap is not working for him or her. Share this video to that person so that you can tell the person how to use Kojisan soap to properly wash her face. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye. Mwah.